Welcome! The objective of this tutorial is to guide you on how to integrate NeuralSeek with an existing AWS Lex V2 instance. Begin by opening your NeuralSeek instance you wish to integrate and selecting on the Curate tab. Select the intents you wish to export. Once done, hit Export to AWS Lex version 2. A zip file should download. Next, move to the AWS Lex console. From there, choose the instance of AWS Lex that you want to edit, click Actions, and then click Export. Choose your bot version, platform, and format. Optionally, you can add a password. Hit Export. It'll take a moment, but eventually you'll see it in your downloads. Switch back to your NeuralSeek instance and visit the Curate tab. Upload the file you just downloaded by clicking Import Base AWS Lex V2 Actions in the top right corner. Afterwards, select the intents you wish to bring over to AWS Lex V2. Hit Export to AWS Lex V2 and then move back to your Lex console. Hit Actions, then Import. Now we want to overwrite the previous bot. Use the same name as the bot you choose to edit as your title. Upload the file you just exported out of NeuralSeek. Choose your IAM preferences, COPA preferences, idle session timeout, and tags. Notice the option to warn before overwriting existing bots. Hit Import, then Continue. Click Overwrite and continue. Wait for the bot to load. Now, you'll see a freshly updated bot, now integrated with NeuralSeek. You can click on the instance and view the intents created by NeuralSeek. Now, you're one step closer to becoming a Customer Care Pro with NeuralSeek and AWS Lex.